cleaning your oven is tiring and time-consuming. Not anymore. Thanks to pyrolysis, you never have to clean your oven again. When you activate the pyrolysis cleaning function, you can choose between 3 different cleaning levels, depending on the degree of soiling. Your oven heats up to approximately 480 degrees Celsius and burns off any burned-on grease and food residue. All that's left is a thin layer of ash that you can easily remove with a paper towel. The result? A perfectly clean oven, without the use of chemical cleaning products. And you can even program the oven to run the pyrolysis cleaning at a more convenient time, for example, overnight. This way you can enjoy more time cooking and spend less time cleaning. Pyrolysis self-cleaning helps you to reduce your everyday work. Lean back, relax, and let your oven do the cleaning. This is Pyrolysis, the self-cleaning system for your oven. Bosch, invented for life.